I'm doing great, man. A beautiful day here in North Carolina, but it looks like that weather that hit the Midwest is going to reach us tonight and tomorrow. Hopefully,
Yeah,
no,
it's
hopefully no
very warm
tornadoes.
everywhere, right? And it's
Yeah.
nice to not complain about warmness, especially a lot of golfing for you this weekend, right?
Well, hope so. Next week, I'm going to Myrtle Beach and playing the military golf championships, retired military golf championships. Looking
All
forward to
right.
that. Seeing a lot of my old friends.
All right. Alan, you're always adding to your practice. What do you have for us this week? Because you're constantly adding these things.
Well, Neil, my practice is all about educating my clients to think outside the box of conventional financial planning and educate them on financial strategies, saving taxes, and healthcare opportunities that they have no idea about. And recently, I've added another healthcare option that will save employers tens of thousands and possibly hundreds of thousands of dollars in taxes. I have partnered with Amaze Health and Capstone to provide a comprehensive healthcare essentials program for all their employees. Now, it is a free supplemental wellness program that was made available under the Affordable Care Act. It falls under Section 125 of the IRS codes and does not disrupt any medical plan that you have now.
In addition to the impact healthcare we talked about a couple of weeks ago, what else have you going?
Well, this just adds to it. It doesn't have anything to do with impact because it's a supplemental for a wellness provider. Because you know this concentrates on wellness education and things. So health problems can cause a lot of problems in the workplace, family life, everything else with the cost and everything. But this is a free supplemental employee wellness program. That's no cost to the employer.
Wow. Okay. So it's more like the employer can give that to all the employees, that information and stuff.
Exactly. When I talk to employers and employees, especially to employers, I said, well, listen, what if I could show you a program for you and your company, a free supplemental employee wellness program that will provide your employees with an abundance of benefits, improve your overall retention of the employee, and save you tax dollars. Would that something you would be interested in? Neil, on the average, the employer is going to save around $469. That's average per employee year after year after year in savings of FICA taxes. And also, it gives the employee many benefits that they don't have right now and adds another average of $100 to the employee's paycheck that is completely tax-free. So why wouldn't they do that? It's a no-cost option. It saves taxes, and it gives more money to the employee plus many, many benefits.
And it's going to help. So what by adding this, it's going to really help the employees' benefits as well, right? And the employers.
Absolutely.
That's fantastic. Would this program help with some of the problems facing employers today?
Well, another thing I ask employers, are recruiting, retention, and revenue a problem for you? It obviously is all the time. This is a no-cost option, but it saves hundreds of thousands of dollars in taxes. And it's an ongoing thing. It's very easy to get up with. All we need to do is talk to the payroll people and get their information they already have on their employees, and we can get it set up.
What are some of the benefits, Alan?
Oh, let me tell you what. 67% of employees have seen a negative impact from inflation and because of the rising cost of goods. 30% had to choose between paying for medical treatment, a prescription, or a non-medical bill. With this, you have unlimited, I'll read this. You have unlimited telehealth benefits, such as a virtual ER telemedicine, primary care, urgent care, behavioral health, dermatology, all with zero copay. You receive personalized programs for chronic disease management, a prescription program, billing advocacy, biometric facial scanner, health risk assessment, weight management, smoking cessation, dental support, insurance support, health education, and care for the whole family. This program is packed with amazing features.
Wow, that's amazing. I was hearing about something similar to this program, but this is only offered to companies, right? Businesses.
Well, yeah, but it's offered to the employees. It's not offered to the employer.
Everyone hates to going to the emergency room because of waiting or other problems. Can this program help with that?
Well, absolutely, because there's no triage, no intake forms, no waiting rooms, an immediate response. You have an app on your phone, simple messaging and one tab calling to a full-time medical provider. And it's just amazing because a lot of times when people go to the emergency room, they don't really need to go to the emergency room. They just need to talk to a doctor or something, have him prescribe something for them. They can take care of this, and 80% of their time, when you call that number, it's answered in less than 8 seconds.
Is there anything else you'd like to add, Alan, to this conversation? It's very, very interesting. I think if you own a company, you got to contact Alan today.
Well, what I want to, talk to people about is, as I said before, I teach people to think outside the box of conventional financial planning. But with the cost of healthcare increasing and increasing, and work retention and things like this, anytime I can educate the public on anything that will benefit them, I'm going to do it. And I study all the time, I read books all the time, and I just want to add to people's lives instead of subtracting, taking taxes from them. I want them to save them taxes. I want to increase their health so they can have a healthy life. But I'm very passionate, as you know, about the programs that I do because what it's happened to my family. And I hope people call me up. You can call me at 910-551-1046 or email me at strategicwealth0@gmail.com. But I have all this on my website at www.strategicwealthstrategies.com. And I hope people give me a call because it can make a big difference in their life. Not only with healthcare, but with their financial aspects too.
Absolutely. I mean, you could save money on their healthcare, their taxes, debt-free retirement. What else can't you do, Alan? Yeah, your one-stop shop with a series of amazing professionals to help you get them through to where they need to go.
Exactly, because I'm not a one-man shop. I have a team of tax-specific attorneys and CPAs and other specialists in their fields, and we collaborate together to come up with solutions, financial solutions for people's problems. And now I'm coming up with healthcare solutions for people's healthcare problems.
All right, Alan, we appreciate it, sir.
Thank you very much.
All right, that was the Strategic Wealth Strategies podcast.